Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be doing a Hapa Kristin video and it will be on the Okurrr, I don't know, Kristin collection. I'll put the spelling there for you guys just in case I stuff it up, which I probably did. This collection only comes in two colors, grey and brown. These are one-day contact lenses, which means one box consists of 10 contact lenses, which means it's 5 pairs of usage. The cost for this is $19.99 per box. So if you have two different eye powers, you would unfortunately have to get two, just like me. Diameter for this is actually leaning towards a bit of a smaller side, I believe. This is actually 13.4 millimeter, but the overall diameter is actually 14.2. It's leaning a little bit towards the smaller side, but still a little bit enlarging at the same time. I love Hapa Kristin shipping because their shipping is always so affordable, and also they are express shipping. So depending on your country, mine in New Zealand, they use DHL to ship it to me, which arrived like within 2 to 4 days, which is unbelievably quick. If you guys spend under $40, you would have to pay a standard rate of $9.99. If you spend between $40 to $74.99, you would have to pay $4.99. But if you spend over $75 then you get free shipping, which I think you can probably hit that mark. But even then, $9 or $4.99 shipping rate for DHL shipping is actually considering really cheap now with the whole pandemic and COVID situation. I feel like it's actually really affordable for DHL. I also have a discount code which is 10% off, which I'll put it here for you guys. It is affiliated, but I really also want to say that you don't have to use it, but I noticed that some of you guys have, and I just want to thank you guys for it because it really helped me a lot. But at the same time, I just appreciate it. Let's get started with the review. With this contact lenses, I feel it is targeting more so for like daily usage or more like a natural contact lens. I feel like the focus of this particular contact lens is more for the outer rim rather than the inner part of the eyes. So it gives you a little bit of the enlargement, but also more of the natural side. I feel like it's targeting more for those who are looking for daily natural contact lenses, or you want a little bit of the enlargement but you're not keen on those like fancy pattern on the eyes. I feel like this will be perfect. This would be the type of contact lenses I would go for if I want something natural. I don't want to put a lot of makeup, or even I want a flat makeup but I need to wear contact lens. I would wear this. And the reason why I state that is because some of my videos I did mention that I don't wear clear contact lenses. I personally just don't like it. So for me, it's like if I need clear contact lenses, I would go for this one, if that makes sense. For me, I personally feel that depending on your eye color, it also emphasizes your eye color as well. With the brown, I feel like it really blends really nicely with my dark brown eyes. This contact lens is obviously a little bit lighter than my natural eye color, but it really matches together and it really gives me more like a two-tone brown color, but not so obvious. Imagine like the sun shine on my eyes and it just shows that light brown color on my eyes. That's how this contact lens color look like on me. Second one would be the gray, which is what I'm currently wearing right now. I feel like because it is like a light cool tone gray, it also sort of emphasizes a little bit of that blue, the tone with this as well. This gray is more like a cool gray for me, but at the same time it looks really dark on my eyes because of my dark brown natural eye color. I feel like if you have lighter eye color, this gray might actually be much more cooler and brighter on your eyes. But for me, I actually like the turnout of this because I usually won't go for any black contact lens. I know some people do. For me, black just makes me look like I'm high or something, you know, like it just doesn't look nice on me. So this would be like my alternative if I want like a darker black type of contact lens. This would be the gray color that I would actually go for. I also compare this Okurrr Kristin collection with all of my Hapa Kristin eye contact lenses, but I actually can't find any similarities or duplicate of this at all, just because I feel like this design is definitely very unique. Most of the Hapa Kristin contact lenses that I've had or tried or have currently, they all focuses not only on the outer rim but also on the inner part of the eyes as well, but this one just solely focusing on the outer rim. So I don't have any comparisons, which I think is a good thing because then you know that this is actually very unique for Hapa Kristin. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what other Hapa Kristin contact lenses you want me to try next. I do have a whole bunch of review for you guys and I will upload them as soon as I can. But yeah, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys!